Process to download and install VLC Media Player on Windows 11 is quite simple. Open up any browser. I'll open up the Chrome browser. And once that is open, type in the search bar VLC download and hit enter. Once you're here, you can simply go and click on the official videoland.org link. Once you're here, just go and click on download VLC, or you can also first click on Windows and then click here, consent, and it says downloading. So just go and wait for a few seconds. So you can see the download is in progress and it is completed. Now simply go and click on open. Click on yes, click on OK, click next, 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 install. And now the installation has started. So just go and wait a bit for the installation to complete. It could take anywhere between 30 seconds to a couple of minutes. So click on finish and it would start the VLC player. Click on continue. So here is a VLC player. Now you can start any video. For example, I just recorded a video, so I want to open it with the VLC. And you can always select always use this app to open your video. And you can see the video will start playing shortly. My computer change password on Windows 11 login screen is quite simple. Yeah. So I hope this video has help you to download and install VLC Media Player on Windows 11. Please like the video.